Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the channel where luxury meets innovation and performance meets perfection. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into the world of sophistication and technology, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The S-Class has always been more than just a car. It's the symbol of ultimate automotive excellence, and now, Mercedes has taken it to a completely new level with its next-generation design and technology. From the very first glance, the 2026 S-Class defines pure elegance. The new exterior design combines futuristic touches with timeless Mercedes DNA. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a reimagined chrome grille, digital LED headlamps, and flowing aerodynamic lines that make the car look both powerful and graceful. The redesigned side profile exudes confidence with its sculpted panels and flush door handles, while the rear features a sleeker taillight signature, emphasizing modern luxury in every curve. It's not just a car you see, it's one you feel. Step inside, and you'll enter a world of unmatched refinement. The 2026 S-Class continues to raise the bar in luxury interiors. Mercedes has introduced next-level ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Soft-touch Napa leather seats with integrated massage and climate control, and a redesigned dashboard featuring the massive 14.4-inch OLED display with MBUX Hyperscreen technology. The new interface is more intelligent than ever, learning your preferences and responding naturally to voice commands. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your every move. Performance-wise, Mercedes has made sure the S-Class remains at the top of its game. The new generation offers multiple powertrains, including a 3.0-liter inline-six and a 4.0-liter V8 mild hybrid, both paired with the latest 9G Tronic transmission. The EQ boost system adds an instant surge of torque, giving the S-Class effortless acceleration and refined power delivery. The 2026 model also comes with the latest version of the E-Active body control suspension, which scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually for unmatched comfort and stability. Driving this car feels like floating on air. Mercedes has also focused heavily on safety and autonomous technology. The 2026 S-Class features Level 3 self-driving capabilities, allowing partial hands-free driving on select highways. It includes the latest generation of Mercedes's driver assistance package, along with 360-degree monitoring systems and intelligent hazard detection. The vehicle doesn't just protect you, it anticipates danger before it happens. The new S-Class isn't just a luxury sedan. It's a statement of class, innovation, and craftsmanship that sets new benchmarks in the industry. From the outside elegance to the serene comfort inside, every inch of this car screams perfection. Mercedes has once again proven that the S-Class isn't just about transportation, it's about the experience of ultimate luxury redefined. That's all for today's deep look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. If you loved this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. This is Auto Dynasty, where we bring you the future of automotive excellence, one masterpiece at a time.